Apparently, American singer Cher has a dislike for Madonna, and it was made very clear when she was playing the 5-second rule in The Ellen Show and made it clear that she wasn't open to a collab with her.
Name 3 celebrities you'd want to do a duet with.
Oh, Adele, Pink, and, not Madonna.
At the BET Awards, the host of the awards made a joke about Rihanna's song Be Better Get My Money by saying that someone should give her her money, and well, coincidentally next to her was Floyd Money Mayweather.
Somebody give Rihanna her damn money.
When Kris Jenner took some slabs of marble away from Kim Kardashian, Kim became kind of upset because the marble was hard to find, and she said to Kris she was going to charge her for the marble, and Kris didn't like that.
Whole bathroom?
Really? Because you didn't have one slab of marble?
No, we needed 10 and you took 10.
I took 6. In the United States, 6.
They just sent me the invoice today. You took 10.
You're charging me for the marble?
Absolutely.
Rapper Snoop Dogg was discovered by Dr. Dre in the early 1990s, so he's been seeing trends in music for a while, and in an interview he kind of mocked the new style of mumble rapping by imitating the popular group Migos.
That's what's wrong right now. Everybody trying to rap the same style with the, I don't know who created it, if it was Future or Migos, but all them sound the same.
Sometimes we might overestimate a celebrity's relationship with another celebrity. When an interviewer was telling Rihanna about a royal wedding, Rihanna didn't seem to be aware of the event, and the interviewer was actually surprised that she wasn't invited.
You stay on the internet more.
So you weren't invited? I was hoping that we would see you.
Why would you think I'm invited?
I don't know, you met him.
Okay, you met me. You think you were coming to my wedding? Am I coming to yours?
I mean, you'll get the invite.
Oh, girl.
A very savage moment for Ariana Grande happened when Kanye West was kind of beefing with Drake on Twitter by saying that he wanted Drake to apologize for some things. Even though Drake wasn't responding, Kanye kept tweeting about the situation. And that's when Ariana tweeted, "Guys, I know there are grown men arguing online right now, but Millie and I are dropping new songs tonight. So if you all could please just behave for a few hours so the girls can shine. That did be so sick, thank you." When Mariah Carey was asked to say 3 nice things about Nicki Minaj, she gave an answer most people didn't expect.
Things about Nicki Minaj.
Can you?
An interviewer was doing a piece on Tesla when she tried bringing up Elon Musk's competitor and how that is something that may make Tesla's value go down. And of course, Elon was fast to shut that down.
They're ramping up production of their electric vehicles. Warren Buffett owns 10% stake in that. Why do you laugh? Here he is trying to compete. Why do you laugh?
Have you seen their car?
Shawn Mendes was in a rap battle with Odell Beckham when Odell bragged about his relationship with Drake, and Shawn proceeded to obliterate Beckham.
Brought up Drake because you lived in his house, but if he ever heard you rap, I'm sure he'd kick your ass out, man.
The American school system has a reputation of lacking a bit on the geography department, even though some people argue that the reason for this is because the US isn't surrounded by a lot of countries compared to a country in Europe. But okay, a hilarious moment to watch was when a singer completely roasted Chelsea.
I love globes, actually.
Yeah.
I do, because you can never remember where all the countries are, so it's always fun to discover a new one.
Yeah.
You're like, I didn't know Nicaragua was right next to Costa Rica. Have you guys ever heard of Nicaragua?
Yeah, because we schooled in England, so.
When Rihanna won the CFDA Style Icon of the Year, during his speech she explained how fashion used to be her defense mechanism and how she believed to have the best outfits.
I remember thinking, she could beat me, but she cannot beat my outfit.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.